Hey guys, welcome back to my channel RTsARTMANIA, a one-stop for all art lovers just like me. If you have been watching my latest videos, you will know that I am into this mandala painting series currently. Continuing with the series, I decided to do a Valentine's Day special mandala for this video. This will be my third video in the series. If you have not watched the first two videos, the elephant mandala and the peacock mandala, the links to them will be in the description box below. Also, you can check them out in the mandala playlist from my channel page. Let's get started. Love. It's something that defines life, not just for human, but also for animals, birds, and whatnot. For this Valentine's Day special, I decided to portray the love of these two cute seahorses through this mandala painting. I'll be using micron pens for the mandala and Brustro gouache for the background. I've designed the mandala such that the seahorses will form a heart in the center as well as an inverted heart at the bottom. One interesting fact with seahorses is that the male seahorse is the one that gives birth, so I have included tiny seahorses in the male's pouch as well. To make the female look evident, I added a small bow. All the mandala series drawings are original work, meaning I have designed them from scratch. So even if you do follow along and sketch this, do give me credits wherever you post your work and also tag me at RTsARTMANIA on Instagram and leave a comment below. That's it about the drawing. Now enjoy the time lapse and I will catch you guys at the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here and you like my style of work, do consider subscribing to my channel. Give it a like and let me know what you thought of this work in the comments below. Until next time, happy creating, guys.